guys, I am gonna be pranking V today. She always thinks I'm the hacker. I don't know why, I'm not the hacker, but we do have the hacker masks that we got from the little mini Tesla in the front, if you remember that. So I'm gonna be wearing this. I've got a bunch of hidden cameras set up all throughout the house. V doesn't know about those. I'm gonna show you guys me pranking V. Right now, she's in there putting on some makeup. She doesn't even know I'm over here. Let's go. Give me a thumbs up if you want me to prank V with this hacker mask right now. She might get really mad at me, so I don't know if I should do it, but if you guys give me a thumbs up, I think that'll convince me to do it.
Alright guys, I think I just saw something like really weird behind me and it's kind of giving me the creeps. You know, the hair in the back of my neck started standing up. I'm home alone, so I want to check this out, but I don't want to do it alone, so I want you guys here with me. I thought I saw something like weird right around here, so I want to bring you guys in with me in case anything happens. You guys keep an eye out to see if anything weird's happening. Yeah, I don't see anything, but I definitely felt something, so I'm just gonna keep the camera on the whole entire time so you guys can help me out.
Okay guys, she is in this bedroom. I think she saw me out of the corner of her eye, so she's freaked out.
It's just kind of creepy. I just want to get out of here. I'm gonna go and make some lunch because it's about that time, but I'm here by myself, so you guys make sure to keep an eye out if anyone's around.
I heard that she is gonna make a sandwich for some lunch. She always makes a peanut butter sandwich for lunch, and for her little sandwich, I got a little surprise. I've got these little bugs that we got in that treasure chest. Remember when we found that buried treasure chest in the desert? They're fake bugs, so I'm not that mean. I won't use real bugs. Check this out. Here's the bread. Just dump them all in there. Here she comes.
Okay, so seeing. Gosh, I don't know where Chad is. He's like running errands. We usually do it together, but this is the kitchen. It's kind of dark, but I'm gonna be making a peanut butter sandwich. Peanut butter, Nutella. Let's see here. All right, you guys, I'm not turning this camera off because I need you guys here with me. Peanut butter and Nutella. Oh my gosh! I thought it was a real bug. Who did this? What is going on? Did you guys see this? This just came out of the bread. I was trying to get this bread to make a peanut butter sandwich, and I pour it out, and all these creepy fake bugs fell out of them. All right, you guys, I'm actually getting kind of really scared because, like, I don't know who put this here. I mean, it's the hacker in my house.
She thinks it's the hacker?
Okay, I'm not even gonna bother with making food. I'm just gonna get out of the kitchen because I don't feel safe here anymore.
She's going into the living room. Let's go.
All right, this is our living room here. We watch our TV. Yeah, it's nice and comfortable in here. I'm just gonna call and get a pizza because I don't wanna be in that kitchen anymore.
She almost saw me when she looked at the TV.
Hi, I'd like to order pizza for delivery. Yeah, I would like a large meat lovers pizza with some mushrooms in it. Yep, I have a credit card. The number is 4.
She's giving the pizza man the credit card number right now. I'm gonna go and flicker the lights on her. It's gonna freak her out.
All right, while I'm waiting for the pizza to arrive, I'm gonna try and chill and relax and take my mind off all these weird things. Gonna watch some Netflix. Alexa, turn on Netflix. What is that? It's like some weird like language writing on my TV. I wonder if like I accidentally tripped on the electrical cord and got it unplugged and everything's like reset to default and it's just some weird language now. All right guys, I'm kind of thirsty because you know when you're watching a movie you need like something to eat and something to drink, but I really don't want to go back in the kitchen. Wait, did you sense anything? That was really weird. Am I just being really paranoid here? Cause like I totally sensed something when I like exited the living room. Here's the kitchen. Just gonna go to the fridge here and get something to drink. What is there to drink? Oh my gosh! Okay. Imagining.
She freaked out.
There's something crazy. Okay, I saw those lights like just flickering. One's on. This light switch. These are on. Okay, that's really creepy. My dishwasher just started turning on by itself.
All right, guys. V is right over here. I'm just gonna see what she's doing.
I'm so scared that like someone's in this house. I don't even know what's happening. Oh my gosh, look. Is there anyone? Do you guys see anything weird and creepy? Oh my gosh. I'm like staying against this wall. Like I know that no one's behind me. I think I'm gonna go and get a ninja weapon just in case and to protect myself. Anyone there? Okay, I think I'm safe.
I think she went around this corner, guys. Let's go this way. I just heard her go into a room. Let's see. She just went into the weapons room.
I'm gonna lock this. I'm in Chad's room right now with all the ninja weapons.
She locked it. I can't get in there at all. I hope she's not getting a weapon.
Okay, so I feel like I need something that I can hold with one hand. These ones connects together, so that's kind of good. Oh, these butterfly knives good. Look at that, yeah. See how big it is compared to me? I'll be able to fend whoever's in my house and protect myself, no problem with this.
If she gets a weapon, I better just tell her it's me and I'm just joking around because I don't want her to like hit me with the weapon while I'm wearing this mask. I mean, if she sees me wearing this mask, she might think I'm the real hacker. All right, if I see her holding a weapon coming at me, I'm gonna be like, V, no, don't, it's me, Chad. Hopefully she stops in time.
All right, let's get out of here. I gotta be quiet and slow just in case.
She's got a butterfly sword. I can't let her see me. Oh, is she coming in this room? Uh-oh.
This is when all the weird stuff started happening first. The bathroom, and then I felt something right here.
She might be coming through there. All right, I'm gonna sneak around.
I'm ready if anyone's here. Come out wherever you are. Hello? Where are you? Show yourself. I'm ready, guys.
Whoa, that was so close, guys. She almost saw me.
All right, I'm gonna go back into the kitchen because that's the second place. That was like, got something really creepy going on. But guys, keep an eye out if you see anything. Ah!
All right, guys, she said just now that she's gonna go into the kitchen. I'm gonna go around the other direction down this hallway here and see if I can cut her off.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go into the kitchen. Make sure to keep your detective eyes, spy eyes around. If you see any weird things, just let me know in the comments. Anyone here? You better get out. I'm a true ninja, and I know how to defend myself. So quit messing around with me and just leave. It doesn't really seem like there's anything in here. All right, so now I'm gonna explore a new area of the house I haven't done yet. I'm gonna go down the hallway. So I'm walking down this hall. Okay, so before I turn this corner, I'm gonna peek. I'm ready if anybody is about to attack me. All right, guys, before I turn this corner, I'm actually gonna peek, see if anyone's there. Wait, what was that? What is that? What is that?
All right, guys, she just put down her weapon. That means it's safe for me to sneak up behind her and scare her.
We found this while we're at the sheriff's house, while we're like traveling there in the forest, and we actually like usually just keep it right here on the dresser.
It's me! I tricked you, V! Did you think I was the hacker or what?
Yeah, why do you wear the mask?
I just thought it would be funny. It's because you always think I'm the hacker, V, and I had to prove to you that I'm not the hacker. Wait, that doesn't make much sense. But the real hacker wouldn't be sneaking around doing this to you, right? It's just me. I got tired of you thinking I was the hacker, so I thought, you know what? If V thinks I'm actually the hacker, then I'm gonna pretend I'm the hacker. But I'm not the hacker. I think this was a successful prank, everybody. I can now retire for the evening, go back to my room and relax.
I don't know, you guys. It's like really weird. Chad keeps playing all these tricks on me, and I'm not really quite sure if I trust him. I know I've said what? Oh, that's the doorbell. I think that's the pizza. I just need to eat something right now, you guys, because it's getting too stressed out. Haha, Chad. Very funny, not really. Chad thinks he's so funny all the time. What are you doing here? How'd you get here so fast?
Wait, what do you mean, what am I doing here?
Didn't you just deliver the pizza?
No, I didn't deliver the pizza.
What is going on here?
What are you talking about? Did I deliver the pizza?
I just saw you deliver the pizza to me.
You saw me out here?
Yes.
Let me see. I don't see anybody out here. There's nobody out here. Wasn't me.
I thought you were playing a prank on me and
Wait, V, whoa.
What?
Look at the pizza.
What about?
Look what's on there. Look right in the middle there. You see that? It's a triangle.
You know, I saw someone that's about your height and they were wearing the hacker mask, you know, that we've been seeing all over the place.
Gosh, I don't know if we should trust eating this pizza now.
Definitely not me. I'm not touching that.
Yeah.
I barely even want to touch this triangle.
You know what that means? The hacker knows where we live now.
What?
If that really was the hacker who delivered the pizza, he knows where we live.
So you're just promise me that wasn't you.
I promise it wasn't me. I was going back to the bedroom and I heard the doorbell ring and I came back and saw you with the pizza.
We need to think this through. If the hacker actually knows where we live, we need your help solving this and letting us know what we should do, since the hacker may possibly know where we live now. Thank you so much for showing up. Every single time I post a new video in the first hour, I'm showing all the comments for the people who show up. Make sure to watch this video if you haven't already, and subscribe to me, subscribe to Chad. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at Qwaint and ChadWildClay, because we need your help. Let us know what we need to do, and I will see you next time. Bye.